Welcome to our channel, Lifelong English Learning Academy, Airport Conversations. In this video, you are going to learn how to deal with a canceled flight in English through conversations between a passenger and an airline representative. Conversation 1.
Excuse me, can you tell me what's going on with my flight? It was supposed to leave at 5 p.m., but it's already past 6 p.m. and there's no sign of boarding.
I'm sorry to inform you, but your flight has been cancelled due to unforeseen circumstances.
What? Why was it cancelled? Is there anything you can do to help me?
I'm afraid we had some mechanical issues with the aircraft and we couldn't find a replacement on time. As for what we can do to help, we can either rebook you on the next available flight or provide a refund.
Okay, can you tell me when the next flight is scheduled?
The next available flight is scheduled for tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Would you like us to rebook you on that flight?
Yes, please. Can you also provide me with a hotel voucher for the night?
Of course. Here's your hotel voucher and a meal voucher as well. Please make sure to arrive at the airport at least 2 hours before your new flight time.
Thank you for your help. This is really inconvenient, but I appreciate your assistance.
We understand that this situation is frustrating and we apologize for any inconvenience caused. Please let us know if there's anything else we can do to assist you.
Thanks.
Conversation 2.
Excuse me, I heard an announcement about my flight being cancelled. Can you tell me what's going on?
I'm sorry to inform you, but yes, your flight has been cancelled due to bad weather conditions.
Oh no, what am I supposed to do now? I have to be at my destination by tonight.
We understand your concerns. We are doing our best to rebook you on the next available flight. However, due to the weather, many flights have been affected and the earliest we can get you on another flight might not be until tomorrow.
Tomorrow is too late. That's not acceptable. I need to be there today for an important meeting.
We apologize for the inconvenience caused, but unfortunately the weather is out of our control. We can try to look for alternative options, such as a connecting flight or a different airport nearby, but it might take some time.
Okay, please do whatever you can to get me there as soon as possible.
Absolutely, we will do our best. In the meantime, we can offer you some food vouchers and hotel accommodation if you need to stay overnight.
All right, that's something at least. Thank you for your help.
No problem, we will keep you updated on any new developments. Please stay in the terminal and keep an eye on the flight information screen for further updates.
This is the end of our video. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel if you would like to support us. Thanks.